Got a broken phone? Don't stress. Isn't it frustrating when your phone has water damage or a cracked screen? Welcome to Royal Capital. We specialize in fixing all phone issues, including water damage, screen replacements, and battery swaps to keep your device running smoothly. How it works? At Royal Capital, we diagnose the problem, provide a quote, and get your phone repaired quickly. Plus, we offer a warranty for peace of mind. With Royal Capital, you enjoy affordable repairs that save you money, quick service to minimize wait times, and high-quality parts for lasting fixes. What our customers say. Sounds great? Royal Capital.